If you've never seen or used Ghost on QuantCrawler.com, I want to walk you through exactly what it is. You can literally automate any indicator or any strategy. And if Ghost isn't set up in order to automate that, you can put in a request and I will adapt to make it work. So I want to show you exactly what you would do, whether you use a third party indicator or strategy or you build your own. If you want to automate it, I have the tool that can do it for you. So this right here is basically the breakdown of automate anything. You can go to quantcrawler.com/automate dash anything and it will bring you to this page right here. So you can see Ghost turns TradingView alerts into broker orders, yours included, not just ours. Tell the alert format translator what your alerts look like today and it hands you the exact message to paste in. Then right here, if we don't support your format yet, we usually add it within 24 to 48 hours of your request. So Ghost automation is $69 a month. This will set you up to where when your webhook fires from TradingView or wherever you do your charting, as long as an alert fires and a webhook gets sent from any source, Ghost will automate it to any connected broker account. And you can connect an unlimited number of broker accounts and it will send that alert anywhere that you want it to go. So we'll hop into this alert format translator in just a second. But again, right here, how it works. You tell me what your alert looks like. You get the exact alert message to paste into your webhook output generator. And if it's not supported yet, you just simply request it and I will make it happen. So here's everything that Ghost does today. It obviously does entries. It will do markets or resting limit entries, long and short, with optional per alert quantity. Your stops and targets, your stop loss and take profit, all put into the alert. It allows for exits and scale outs, position management, testing mode only. If you just want to make sure that the alert will work, you can just put it into test mode. And then also timing guards. Ghost has built in trading hours as well as session close. So if you want to be flat every day at a certain time, or if you want to avoid the London session, for example, you can put in your time filters. And even if Ghost receives an order to go in or out or anything like that, it will refuse to actually execute. Let me take that back. It will honor all exits. It will not honor any new orders during the time frame you put, but it will always go for an exit in case you have an order running. I should specify that. On this page here, if your alert, you need to figure out everything that Ghost already does, and the page we're about to look at next doesn't have that. You can go to this alert reference right here, and this will start to break down the basics and the actions that Ghost has already pre-formatted to accept. I'm not going to hop into this here, but you can easily find this as well on this exact same page by clicking this link right here. So the 24 to 48 hour request loop, the automate anything is a process. It's not magic. Here's the actual mechanism and how it works. Your request lands with your examples attached because I need something to work off of. If you need me to custom fit it to you, I need all the details available, so I have that opportunity. I will then go in and make Ghost work for what you need it to. The only time I will refuse it is if it's a if this then that. If this indicator or strategy to work means I have to remove something that will affect other operation, that's unfortunately going to be a no, but we can find a middle ground and a workaround to still make it work, and I can help you with that as well. And then from there, it's usually live in 24 to 48 hours. So this is basically for if you're not using one of my strategies that I build or my indicators, that's completely fine. You can bring the strategy you already trust and the one you already trade, just getting an automation layer added into it. So if it can fire a TradingView alert, or again, any alert, it doesn't have to be TradingView, just your payload needs to be sent to Ghost some way, however you do it. And as long as that happens, Ghost will execute it for you. So let's go into translate my alerts and I will show you this page here. I know I sound redundant. Your alerts translated for Ghost automation. If you're still watching the video, you already know this is what we're here for. So we're just going to hop down right here. This is where I get the information that I need. So what do your alerts look like today? Your alert style, are you not sure? Plain text or the JSON output? You can then change this to be long, and you can change sell to be short, for example. And then your word is exit, or maybe it's cancel. You just put this here, and then these separate boxes right here, you can check or deselect. You get the point. If you're this far in and you know how alerts work, this part is not going to confuse you unless this is literally the first time you're doing this. And at that point, I'm happy to help. Which fields does your alert include? You need to give me all these details here so I can see it, and then paste in examples. Once you do all of this, then you get down here. All of these are optional. You can pick here, is there anything specific that your setup needs? Or if it's not one of these, you can type it into me right here. And let's just say you went through and filled all this out to be exact to your indicator and strategy. You click translate my alerts. So this will then tell you how Ghost is set up right now. All of these are working and good except rename. Cancel is a valid Ghost action, but not an exit action. Use exit here instead. So if you were to do that, you could update your script or just ask me to do this. But I have cancel in here because that also is a cancel for our currently pending orders. So that's one of those that would take a workaround. But instead of using cancel, all you need to do is use exit, and that will be your flatten. And then right here, this gives you copy paste ready to go messages that you can put into TradingView. I have TradingView reference everywhere just because it's the most common, it's the most used. Wherever you execute your orders, whether it's TradingView or another platform, it doesn't matter. As long as you have this as the message when that alert fires and that webhook gets sent out, or however your message is sent out, it includes and looks just like this, Ghost will execute it. If you type in something like this right here, I need custom help to submit my output, and click translate my alerts. Right down here at the bottom, it says we don't support this exact format yet, custom requirement. Request it and we'll add it usually within 24 to 48 hours. This part right here would be the box that you would enter in to actually send me an email directly through here, and it will give me all of the information you enter into this screen so you're not duplicating your efforts. Everything that is here will be saved in the table, and then it will kick that over to me so I will be able to see it. You can just simply say something like, please see attached output for the setup my indicator needs. And then that will be my cue to go back and reference the information you'd entered in here. And then you just simply click request this format and it sends me an email. Once you've submitted that, it says request sent. We'll email you usually within 24 to 48 hours. From here, I will be working on making this happen. So within 2 days, you are automating everything you want to automate. So this part right here is a very quick walkthrough of exactly how you can automate any strategy. And if it is not already set up to automate, I will make it happen for you. You just have to give me up to 48 hours so I can make that happen. My goal by the end of 2026 is anybody who wants to automate a strategy, they can do it. And I want to have the platform in order for that to happen. So that's my goal. And I can only get there by having more opportunity to help more people bring automation to their day trading portfolio. If this is something of interest to you, check it out. Send me an email, talk to me on Discord, whatever you need. I'm happy to help and support in any way that I can.